Welcome back to the channel Mr. Wheel Wonders, where we explore the most extraordinary machines on wheels, and today we have something truly special lined up for you. Imagine a vehicle that blends the luxury of a five-star hotel, the engineering brilliance of Mercedes-Benz, and the freedom of a world-class motorhome. That's exactly what this ultra-luxury double-decker Mercedes motorhome represents. It isn't just a travel vehicle. It's a statement, a rolling palace built for those who want comfort, presence, and performance all in one breathtaking package. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the incredible details of this masterpiece on wheels. The very first thing that captures your attention is the commanding presence of this double-decker motorhome. From the front, it looks like the future of luxury travel, with its massive panoramic windshield stretching across two levels, sharp LED headlights, and the iconic Mercedes grille that instantly signals class and sophistication. The aerodynamic curves aren't just for show, they're engineered to improve airflow, stability, and efficiency, even though this beast is large enough to make a tour bus look small. Whether it's cruising down a highway or parked at a scenic overlook, the front view alone feels like a concept vehicle brought to life. Moving to the side, the true scale of this motorhome becomes even more apparent. The stretched body, multi-axle support, and extended slide-outs create more space than most apartments. The panoramic tinted windows give it a sleek futuristic appearance while filling the interior with natural light. Mercedes hasn't just built a vehicle, they've built a mobile lifestyle designed to give travelers the feeling of freedom without sacrificing refinement. This side profile signals power, elegance, and modernity all at once, commanding attention wherever it goes. But the magic truly comes alive when you step inside. The interior feels like stepping into a luxury penthouse suite. Soft leather seating wraps around a spacious lounge area, offering comfort for long journeys and cozy evenings. Ambient LED lighting adds a modern touch, allowing you to set the mood from calm and relaxing to bright and energetic. High-gloss wood trimming, marble-style flooring, and seamless cabinetry elevate the aesthetic far beyond a traditional motorhome. It's a sophisticated environment crafted for premium travel. As you move deeper inside, you'll find the living area transitioning into an open-concept space, complete with a fully equipped kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, induction cooktops, a large refrigerator, and premium storage solutions make cooking on the road feel effortless. Whether you're making a quick snack or preparing a full gourmet meal, this kitchen is designed to match the standards of a high-end home. Beyond the kitchen, the upper deck offers even more luxury. This area often features a private master suite with a king-size bed, panoramic windows, and climate-controlled comfort. Imagine waking up to mountain views, ocean sunrises, or star-filled skies, all without even leaving your bed. The double-decker layout provides separate zones for entertainment, relaxation, and privacy, making long journeys more enjoyable than ever. Then there's the bathroom, designed with premium fittings, a spacious shower, elegant countertops, and soft lighting. Every detail reflects the level of luxury Mercedes-Benz is known for. Traveling no longer means compromising on comfort. This motorhome ensures that every moment feels elevated. Stepping outside to the back view, the motorhome continues its modern, aerodynamic design. The rear features large tinted windows, integrated LED tail lights, and a clean, futuristic profile. It's the kind of vehicle that looks stunning from every angle, whether it's driving along a lakeside road or parked at a luxury campsite. The multi-axle setup not only supports the weight of the double-decker structure but also ensures stability and a smoother ride, even on longer routes. Of course, a masterpiece like this isn't just about looks. Mercedes-Benz ensures that the performance matches the design. Advanced safety systems, adaptive suspension, powerful engines, and intelligent driving assistance come together to create a driving experience that feels secure, smooth, and responsive. Even though it's massive, the motorhome handles with surprising confidence, making long-distance travel feel effortless. And that's what makes this vehicle so special. It's more than a motorhome. It's an experience, a lifestyle, a moving sanctuary built for those who want to explore the world without leaving luxury behind. Whether you're cruising through mountains, deserts, or coastal highways, this Mercedes-Benz double-decker motorhome turns every journey into something unforgettable. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever built, Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned because more incredible wheels are coming your way right here on Mr. Wheel Wonders.